Good morning, Math 2. This is lesson 125. Today we're going to be learning the multiplying by 4 facts. So as you can see, I've drawn what we can imagine are the color tiles in groups of 4. We're going to go through the facts, and then you have your fact master that you're going to need in just a little bit. So let's get started. So if I have one row of 4 color tiles, how would I write that as a multiplication sentence? I would write it as 1 times 4 equals 4. So remember, we can read this as one group of 4 equals 4. Let's move on to the second one. So if I have 2 groups of 4, now I have how many tiles? 8. Now let's keep going. 3 groups of 4 tiles, 12. How about 4 groups of 4 tiles? How many do I have? 16. 5 groups of 4 tiles. You should know this fact already. Yeah, 20. 6 groups of 4 tiles. 24. How about 7 groups of 4 tiles? Remember, 4 groups of 7. 28. About 8 groups of those 4 tiles. 32. And then lastly, 9 groups. 36. You already know from addition and subtraction that we can write our questions horizontally, or we can write them vertically. I'm not going to write all of them vertically, but let's just take out, I'll do 4 times 6. So remember that this means the exact same thing, and our answer would go here underneath. Now it's time for your fact master. You get that out with a pencil, please? Here we go, we're in section number 1. Let's read the questions together and then you write the answers. So 0 groups of 4 is 0. 1 group of 4 is 4. Oh, I should stand over so you can see the answers. 2 groups of 4, 8. 3 groups of 4, 12. 4 groups of 4, 16. 5 groups of 4, 20. 6 groups of 4, 24. 7 groups of 4, 28. 8 groups of 4, 32. And 9 groups of 4, 36. All right, take a look at section 2. You need to match the problems to the answers. So your pencil should be here on the dot right behind 4 times 4. What's the answer for that? 4 groups of 4. 16. So draw your line. How about 0 groups of 4? To the 0, right across. 8 groups of 4. 32. Oh, it's up here. 6 groups of 4, 24, 1 group of 4, 4, 9 groups of 4, 36, it's down here, third from the bottom, 5 groups of 4, 20, 2 groups of 4, 8, it's the last answer, 7 groups of 4, 28, and 3 groups of 4, 12. Are you there? Okay. Section 3. Fill in the missing factors. You can see that all of these are missing a factor. So how many groups would we, of 4, do we need to equal 28? So we can use our factors up here in box 1, or you can even look on the board. You need 7. 7 groups of 4 equals 28. How many groups of 4 do you need to equal 0? You should know this one. 0. How many groups of 4 equals 16? Here's our 16. We need 4. How many groups of 4 equal 36? 9. And how many groups of 4 equal 4? 1. That's what you should have in there. Hey, turn your paper over. You have your bingo card. I am going to erase all of this and I'm going to make a bingo card. Actually, I'm not going to erase all of it. I'm going to leave our answers and I'll erase this part, because we need those answers. Remember, the bingo card has 9 spaces. It kind of looks like a tic-tac-toe. So, we did not do the 0 times 4. Remember, equals 0. So there is the possibility of 10 numbers that we could be putting into our spaces. We only have 9, so remember, I'm going to leave off 0. So I'm just going to erase that one. So any of the numbers that you're putting in the spaces are the answers for the multiplication problems. It does not matter where you put those numbers on the square. So I'm going to fill mine in, you fill yours in. Remember, you're using 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and 36. So here I go. Oops, I should use a different color so you can see. So there's the 4. No, let's do 8 over here. 12 there. I'll do 16 here. 20. 24. 28 looks good there. 32 and 36. So your job with the bingo card is to play multiplication bingo with somebody in your family. It could be mom, dad, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, somebody else who loves you. They need to ask you the facts. So they might say, what is 4 times 6? And then when you say that it's 24 and you cover up your 24, you can use the pennies that we've used before or any other coins that you have at home. Maybe you want to use some sticky notes to cover them up. That would work just fine. But it's a fun way to practice those facts so that you can commit them to memory. Thank you for joining me for math today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.